Apocalypse.
Make sure to check out my Patreon where you can get all the memberships, and check out the shop where we will be selling every individual episode we do, and also check out my Discord coding server which is dedicated for this coding series. So like I said at the start, make sure to join our coding server if you need any help with any code. So if you get any errors, join the server, go to JS Coding Help and open a channel as it is here. See you on the next episode.
Go.